to become better than that's what you've been. I was blind.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's haul is obvious. I'm gonna be doing a mini luxury unboxing slash haul. I do have Chanel here, and then I have my YSL heels. So we're gonna unbox the YSL heels. I'm gonna show you them. I'm so excited. They're so beautiful and so well made. It's actually insane. So let's jump right into it, and then we'll talk about my little Chanel here, okay? Here is the YSL box. Super luxury, super nice. This is what the receipts came in. So cute. You have that card there with the wording on the other side. And then this little booklet. So definitely giving you that luxury feel unboxing, which I love so much. You get a little dust bag, love that. And then here's for the fun part. These are so you guys, these are absolutely stunning. I heard that these are not the most comfortable shoes to wear, but they're so stunning. Like, it literally doesn't even matter. Like, I will sacrifice comfort for looks all the time. Like, all the time. Except for those days. Like, we do have those days where we don't want to, but in the event of these, oh yeah, 100%. They're just so freaking beautiful. Let me grab the other one. Stunning. So cute. I am obsessed with these. So the link will be down below if you are interested in twinning with me and these shoes. Should I style them? These are them on. I got a size 6, I think. So I'll put on the screen like the size I chose, and it converted into the size that they offer, because it was obviously in a different size chart, but it converted to a size 6, and they fit perfectly with just enough room in the back where it's like not super tight. My feet don't feel like they're sliding like out, which I hate that about heels, but these feel super comfortable for now. Like, I don't know what they're gonna be like if I wear them for longer, for like an hour, but these are just so cute, you guys. Like, okay, back to your scheduled programming. That was fun. So those are the shoes. I rate them 10 out of 10. They are amazing. Let's get into the Chanel portion of this video. So I wanted to treat myself to some Chanel beauty, so I did. I told you girlies that I've been really into luxury makeup. I definitely want to build up my designer makeup collection, so she's slowly growing, and I love that for me. So we're gonna get into what I purchased from Chanel Beauty. And she comes in this really pretty box as well. And then also in the bag is my receipt of everything. So I will be framing that because she's cute. Not the receipt, but like the outside. So here's the box she came in. The box was complimentary, which I appreciate. And here's what she looks like. So we have the Chanel card, I'm so silly. Vanessa XO. This is just going on my mood board. I want to create a mood board and like frame it. So I know people have done like their vision boards, but I want to do like a mood board or like a dream board and like attach this to it. I think that's so cute. So then it has the stamping thing there, which I want to be really delicate with because I want to do a unboxing for TikTok as well. Oh, one of my kitties wants to get out, so 1 second. Let's get into everything I treated myself with. So first thing is this little baggie. Let's see what's in her. Okay, so they gave me a bunch of samples and they put in this cute little dust bag, which that is so cute. Oh, there's something else in there. We'll check that out after. So they gave me a sample of their mascara. Love that. And they also gave me a sample of their Chanel Paris perfume. Cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So you know when you buy from Chanel like a purse or something, they put that flower stamp on the ribbon. So they gave me a flower with the little star too. I love that. I've seen some girlies turn this into a necklace, so I might just have to do that. If not, put it as like a bag charm, but that is so freaking cute. Compliments of the house. Please enjoy this exclusive sample of the No. 5 perfume. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest. Look at how tiny and baby she is. Oh my goodness. That is so freaking cute. So let's get into what I actually purchased. So I bought the highlighting powder in ivory gold, which today I decided to do like an icy silvery color. So I want to try the gold. So let's see what she's looking like, what she's giving. So she comes in this cute box, and then this is what I love about Chanel is like they make sure everything is wrapped and safe, and it's just so beautiful, so much effort put into it. But I got this. Look at how beautiful that packaging is. So sleek. Oh my gosh. So it comes with a little brush. That's super cute. So here's the brush. That's so cute. I probably won't be using the brush, but I mean, thank you. The highlighter comes covered, and then here's the highlighter. That is so pretty. Let's give her a small little swatchy. That's what that looks like. That is so pretty. Oh, she's so glittery. She's kind of reminding me of like that one color in the Dior palette. I love this. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this. So beautiful. I'm so glad I got the highlighter. Very, very pretty. This is the Natural Finish Loose Powder in 12 Rosy Light. I saw this and I wanted to give her a try. She does give like a sheen to your makeup, so definitely not something you'd want to bake your under eyes with, but definitely to set your face with. But here's the packaging. So beautiful. that's what the front looks like, and then underneath. So I was torn on what color to get, but after doing my research, I decided to choose the Rosy Light. Oh my gosh, the powder puff. She's so plush and so soft. I can't wait to use her. So of course, I do have a video coming up where I try all my new makeup. So this will probably be included so I can give it a full review. So far, this is just my first impressions on packaging and what it looks like, things like that. Not necessarily the performance of the item, obviously, because I don't know how they are. Okay, girlies, so that is it for today's video. So like I said, I will do a video trying out all these new products just to make sure that I'm not like blindly advertising you to go out and spend your money on these items, because I understand they are on the pricier side, and I would only recommend things that are of quality or that wear really well. So I will give my full honest review on this and all the other makeup that I've purchased. So the link for the shoes is going to be down in the description box with a coupon code. I do not receive any commission from the coupon code. It is just strictly a gift for you girlies. So like I said, I would never promote anything that is of bad quality. These are amazing quality. They come super nice. They did take a little bit to get to me, but that's just because of all the storms and things that's been happening. So if it does take a little bit of time, just give them some grace. It's not necessarily on their end, it's just the shipping process and things like that. But I highly recommend these. They're so freaking cute, and I definitely cannot wait to wear them. But yeah, girlies, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next girly video.